This is the packing style you should adapt come 2021. This video is being inspired by Ulster. Feel free to check her out for travel tips and inspiration. Hi traveler, this is Jacinta here and thanks for choosing to travel with me. So without wasting time, let's get straight to the video. Let me hope that you've learned something from this video and be informed that it's no longer a trend to carry around a lot of luggage with you whenever you're going to travel. You can always buy extra things when you get to your destination. I've got only one tip for everyone. If you're this kind of person who's strict about some products that you use, let's say hair or skin products, then I advise you to strictly pack those things that you feel you're not safe about buying from other destinations, or everything you can always buy. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and if you liked my content, do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.